Hi everybody. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to enable macros on your Windows desktop, as well as downloading the proper files in order to proceed with the Microsoft Excel certification. Now, I am first here in the Microsoft Word document that was sent out and in email, and everybody should have access to this. So I'm going to first go to the from Google Drive. This is a hyperlink, so I'm going to press on that and press on the link, and there I am now brought to the Google Drive with the needed files that have to be downloaded. So to begin, I'm going to download import data and download the Excel 365 master file. And by downloading, I'm just hovering above the where it's needed. Now I'm going to press on my downloads and I'm going to press on the show in folder icon. Then a pop-up comes up of where the file is. And to make things simpler, easier, simpler is not a word, I'm just going to create a file and put both import data and the master Spring file inside. So to do that, I'm just going to press Home, New Folder, and I'm going to label it Excel 365. And I'm going to press Enter. And to import the files to the Excel 365 file, I'm just going to drag and drop. So I'm going to drag and drop import data, and I'm going to drag and drop Excel 365 master file. And I want to move the Excel 365 file to my documents folder. And to do that, I'm just going to also drag and drop to the documents. And I'm just going to double check to make sure it's there. I pressed on documents and there we go, the Excel 365. I'm going to double click to see what's inside and import data, and Excel 365 is inside of this folder. So we are nice. Next, I'm going to enable macros on this window desktop. To do so, I'm just going to launch the Excel on the desktop, and then I'm going to open a blank workbook. Next, I'm just going to go to File, all the way down to Options at the bottom left, and then I'm going to go to Trust Center Settings, and all the way to the left, there is the macro settings. I'm going to press on that. Currently, I have it to disable VPA macros without notification. We don't want that. We want that to be disable VPA macros except digitally signed macros. So I'm going to press on the third one, which is the one I want. I'm going to press OK. OK. And next, I'm going to press File again, Options all the way down to the bottom left. And I'm going to press on Trust Center settings again. And then I'm going to go to Trusted Location on the top left. And then I'm going to do Add a New Location, which is the bottom right. And I'm going to press Browse. Now I'm going to go back to where I previously saved my file to Documents and Excel 365. So I'm going to press OK. And I'm going to press. You also want to make sure you have subfolders of this location are also trusted. Make sure that is also checked off. And then press OK. And I'm going to be pressing OK. OK. And that is it. You are all set to go. And you have to make sure you do this step, enabling macros and downloading the files needed, because if not, then we will not be able to grade what you are giving us and it won't be accepted. So make sure you do this step. Bye.